I, Sandeep Kaur.
Sandeep.
I, sorry.
You made me a call already.
Thank you. What I love about him, he gives a very good foot massage every night, which I really love. And other than that, he is very caring and he's got a very good sense of humor. He's very sensitive as a human being. Like I like men who are soft and who are not afraid of expressing themselves. And he lets me be. Like he doesn't try to change me. Like I'm a very, like confident and go getter kind of person. He's like, okay, मैं हूँ पीछे से.
Yeah, my past, like Nimrat and me, we met in Forum Mall in Kochi. My first glimpses of Nimrat was this confident woman walking on the floor in the Kochi Mall, and she's a native of Gurgaon. It wasn't as if she knew Kochi also. So my first reaction was, oh, wow, this woman is like really independent, and she's very fiery, and she's very opinionated, but she has a very big heart as well. She's very forgiving, and she's one of the few women who I've seen apologize. So if she's done something she doesn't necessarily think was correct, she'll say sorry. And to me that makes a big difference. Otherwise, like most of the time men apologize. But Nimrat, she doesn't hold back. If she's in the wrong, she will apologize. So that's one very good quality that she has.
And when I first met him, I we spoke for 3 hours, and we didn't even. I did not check my phone at all, and I was like, okay, wow, this guy, I can really talk to him without looking at my phone for 3 hours. So that stood out, and of course, his personality was tall and he was well dressed. So, and I find him good looking as well. So, I got impressed by those things also, and I accept everything about him. That's it.
The one good thing about Nimrat is like she shows up to the relationship every day. I mean, of course, we've known each other for a year and a half now. We've been living together for about 6 odd months. I mean, for us, like I always, like I said previously also, today is no different. Yesterday was no different. Tomorrow is no different. I mean, we still have to keep putting in the work in the relationship. She has to show up. I have to show up. Relationships are never 50-50. They are some denomination of 100. It's either 100, 0, 0, 100, 99, 1, 199. But collectively, it's 100. So I like that about Nimrat. Someday we both have our off days, but collectively we hit hundreds.
Yeah, I just want this journey to be very beautiful because we've already spent half of our lives alone in different forms. We've had our own individual journeys, and now this is a shared journey. So I want when we look back, we'll हाँ ये जो थे ना दो, they proved that love can exist after many years as well. So वो उतना ही है, like we just want कि हम खूब मजे करें, and we support each other, we love each other. Even if we fight, we resolve with respect, and that's about it. Like that's the only thing I want from this journey. Okay, I took the leap of faith, and this proved out to be good. That's it. Yeah. And we love to go on long drives. We also love to just sit at home and just talk to each other about everything and anything. I am the more traveler kind of a person, but through me, Sandeep is also learning a lot of new things. So we enjoy spending time with each other, going on long drives, enjoying in our balcony, sitting with our cat. So I got my cat from Delhi, but now she's more of Sandeep's cat because he takes care of her better than me. So yeah, that's it. We have a small little world, cocoon. So we are happy in that way.
I hope the annoying part doesn't get me into trouble, but in all good humor. So Nimrat, she's very funny. I mean, she's not used to doing a lot of hard labor. So whatever work is a little bit inconvenient to her, she will like lovingly call my name Sandeep, and I know I have to do something for her. So over a period of time, like now, I'm beginning to get this hunch that whenever she calls me, I sort of know what she wants me to do. So I'm just getting better at it. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'll say it very impromptu. So Nimrat, like always, every day I tell you three things: I love you, I'm sorry, and thank you.
Congratulations!
Oh my
You
God!
are hitched now,
Oh my
and
God!
I love you.
Yeah, you too.